How to replay Snap on Snapchat. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to replay a snap on your Snapchat. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified whenever we post new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, update your Snapchat app if it's not updated. Then open the app. Go to chats. Now I will play Snap to show you how to replay it. I have played all the snaps. To replay a snap, it says here hold to replay. So hold any of the snap which you want to replay. I will replay this one. So I will hold this snap. Now the snap is loaded for replay. To replay it, just tap on it. But keep in mind that you can only replay a snap once and Snapchat notifies the person whose snap you have replayed. So this is how to replay Snap on Snapchat.